Hi friends, welcome. Welcome to the fascinating world of universe. I, Arvind Singh, along with Ashtragizer, welcome you all. Let's take a walk in a fascinating world of astrophotography and the universe. So, today I'm going to tell you about the basics about how to set up your mount. Now, this is very important. So, as you can see, this is mount. The very first and important thing about this mount you have to be very careful about is you have to label the mount with the water label or something parallel to the ground. It has to be exactly parallel to the ground. After that, you have to raise the angle according to the latitude you are in. So let's say I am from Mumbai. So Mumbai has a 19-degree latitude. So I have aligned my scope, my mount according to the 19 degree. There are measurements over here. You can raise or decrease the height. So once that has been done, now why we have to do that? Because the North Star, the Polaris, is at 19 degree. Placing your mount so that the camera and the polar scope looks at the Polaris. So once things has been done, you have to align this Polaris in your polar scope. This is a polar scope. Seeing through that, you have to align your mount. You have to get the Polaris exactly in the center of the eyepiece of the polar scope. Once you have done that, what you have to do is you have to center the camera angle and the Polaris angle center to center. That means the object, what you can see here, has to be exactly in center of your camera and also in the polar scope. So for example, you have aligned your polar scope exactly in the center, Polaris exactly in the center. So the same thing has to be done in your camera. Once you have done that, in your GoTo Plus, in the remote, you will get the exact distance of the Polaris to be placed. Now once centering has been done, you have to place the Polaris in that particular circle, because Polaris also moves. It has its own orbit. So your mount once is placed there, you're ready to go. You just have to align 3-star or 1-star according to your need. Just align the scope. Automatically it will move and align it, and it will remove all the discrepancies, all the errors from the mount once the star 3-star alignment has been done. I would recommend 3-star alignment. Once 3-star alignment is done, you can venture all over universe wherever you want, whatever celestial object you want to capture, which is up at that night. You can very easily do it. This camera will keep on capturing. Let's say, for example, you're trying to capture Orion Nebula. This camera, you just have to click in a go to, that you have to go to Orion Nebula. This mount will take you to Orion Nebula and will be aligned exactly with Orion Nebula all the night. So let's say Orion Nebula is moving, your mount will also keep on moving along with the Orion Nebula. So your camera is ready to capture Orion Nebula all the time. This is how it has been, the astrophotography has been done. So you keep on clicking, let's say for a minute or 2 minutes or 3 minute exposure time, you keep on clicking continuously Orion Nebula, and ultimately once you have done for 2 or 3 hours, all the photographs can be taken and stacked in, let's say, Deep Sky Stacker. This is in software, free software. And what Clip Stacker does is, it takes all your photographs, collected, aligned it to make one single copy of a image. Now that image has to be taken and processed further to bring out all the colors layer by layer. You can choose Lightroom, you can offer Photoshop, or there are various options available for processing the image. So once that processing has been done, you can see the spectacular color of the universe. So once the processing has been done, you will get a spectacular image of whichever object you are capturing with all the hues and colors. Isn't it wonderful? So this was basically how to set up your mouse. Thank you.